at Chasse. She's ready for this extra.
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're rating your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Zoe.
Hello.
And Chasse. Sorry that I'm a little bit more excited to see Chasse. I mean, look at her.
I know.
Look at her.
She gets all the attention.
This is my first time meeting Chasse. I've seen her so much on Zoe's Instagram stories. How many times a day do I comment on your Chasse Instagram
100.
stories? No, stay.
Stay.
Zoe went to my high school, my arts high school.
Laksa.
Completely different department. I did music, she did dance. And what year did you graduate?
2008. What year were you?
Wait, I'm 2010, so...
Really?
Yeah, that's why I'm like, wait, you're not older than me, are you?
I'm older than you.
I'm 26.
Yeah, I'm 28.
Okay,
It
wow.
makes sense.
Yeah, wow. For some reason this whole time I thought you were younger than me.
Which is so nice, because I feel so old.
This is the latest hour that I've ever filmed a Kitchen Drink episode. I just got off a shift, so I'm a little tired. Chasse is super sleepy because it's so late, but that's okay. From what you've told me, you're in the middle of a sober stint right now, right?
Yeah, I like to take breaks from drinking and detox and drink healthy things.
Yeah, give the liver a break, give the brain a break. When you are drinking, what do you usually like drinking?
Whiskey and tequila. I mean, those are the spirits that I like. Wine is my favorite.
A wine on?
You're not really gonna mix that up. I don't know if you're a sommelier too.
Oh no, I actually am mildly allergic to the tannins in wine.
Oh,
yeah.
I probably am allergic too. I get flushed.
That sounds like Asian glow, except
I was born in Koreatown.
You can do that from there. So you like wine, you like whiskey, you like tequila. Do you have a certain flavor profile you usually go for?
For tequila, I think more spicy. For whiskey, not so sweet. Oh, like a mule, like an Irish mule. Those are always pretty good.
You ready for me to whip up a mocktail for you?
I'm ready.
Cool.
Okay.
So Zoe did warn me her fridge was a little bare, but that just means it's time to get fun and creative. I have no idea what I'm going to do, so we'll grab anything and literally everything until an idea clicks. We're gonna start off by brewing tea. There were quite a few options and I was torn between chamomile and ginseng, but I decided to go with the much more mellow chamomile. The body of our drink will be the tea, so we'll add even more texture with egg white and dairy in the form of ice cream. And just a little chipotle powder is going to brighten up this drink. The powder's heat is going to be our stand-in for citrus juice and acidity in general, since there was neither citrus or vinegar to use in the kitchen. Let's see what Zoe thinks. Alright, here we go. The glass matches the couch. So.
It does. Do I have a straw? Oh no, I don't have straws. Wow, I like the spicy note that I'm tasting there. I definitely am hinting at some cayenne pepper. Some chamomile tea. I did kind of know that.
Yeah, because I apparently don't know what a pot looks like and I needed help.
Yeah, and then I could also smell the tea cooking. There's some like frothiness that could be an egg and ice cream. I had ice cream. I taste that the most. No, I taste the chamomile the most.
Interesting.
I'm tasting toothpaste.
I want to add a little mintiness.
But maybe it's just the chamomile is making a different flavor. Where's the pretty garnish?
You just said you don't have anything in your fridge.
I have mango.
The mango candy?
Mango candy?
Yeah. It wouldn't make sense to put a mango candy as a garnish since there's no mango in there.
I don't taste the ice cubes. That's good.
The ice cubes from where?
I just moved in, so the ice cubes are still there from the last tenants.
Fun thing about ice, for the most part, it's going to be fine when it comes to shaking something. The most that will happen, aside from spilling, say, frozen meat juice on your ice, is it will pick up the aroma of uncovered things. If all you're throwing in your freezer is TV dinners, your ice is actually going to be mostly fine, unless you're doing the things I do at home, which are the hand-carved clear ice, and you're sipping it with a single malt scotch, and you're just like, why can I taste fish in my scotch? Oh! Now that Chasse is back from her little nap on the floor, you ready to find out if you're right about what's in that drink?
I am, but I know I'm right.
Yeah.
I must be.
I modeled this after the Clover Club. A citrus, usually lime, some simple syrup, raspberry preserves, gin, and egg white. Let's go through what our substitutes were for this cocktail. For the gin, I did one of my favorite things. I used a tea as the substitute. You have 2 different teas in your cupboard, and the one I picked was Tazo Calm Chamomile. Chamomile.
Chamomile.
Why didn't they just call it that? Comforting herbal infusion of chamomile, rose petals, and soothing herbs. Said he tasted a little bit of mint, so I wouldn't be surprised if that was part of it, because mint is relaxing, it is calming. That was our substitute liquor. I used neg in there. I'm not bringing it over because I don't want to accidentally spill it. In theory, should have created a foam on there. It was harder for it to create the foam because of the next ingredient that's in there. In the Clover Club, you have the raspberries. I used a different fruit flavor thing in your mocktail. And you guessed it, Ben & Jerry's Cherry Garcia Froyo. Because dairy products have lactic acid, they provide just a slight amount of acidity to whatever you're having. You actually had no acidic things in your fridge or your pantry. The slight bit of acidity that you get from ice cream is there to help. The real substitute for that acidity though was spice. I decided to use the heat of something to substitute for the acidic bite. That spicy ingredient was chipotle powder, not cayenne.
I didn't even know I had that. I've got to use that.
You already did.
I mean, I've got to use it for cooking, actually.
When I tasted the drink initially, I didn't have the chipotle powder in there. And I was like, oh man, this is kind of bland. I need to do something to bring some life into it. If you need to bring life into your cocktails, throw in a little chipotle powder or whatever powder you have. Yeah, it did help when you said, I love spicy margaritas. I'm like, perfect.
Yeah.
It's fine. I can use this.
Yeah.
Is that everything? I completely forgot that was everything. There's only 4 ingredients in this mocktail.
4.
Is there?
2, 3.
Did I forget something? Yeah, I must be really tired from work because I forgot that I only used 4 ingredients in here. This tastes nothing like a Clover Club, but this is how I do mocktails. So guys, that's Zoe's kitchen drink where we put in everything
But the kitchen sink.
Remember to drink responsibly. Bye.
Cheers.
Of course, if you're drinking mocktails, you don't have to worry
Yeah,
about
you don't
drinking
really.
responsibly.
I mean, you could just drink all day.
Yeah, drink all day. Drink